Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to use your Taobao coupon. Now, if you have a coupon for like maybe percentage off or maybe even like free delivery on Taobao, it's very easy. All you need to do is like, choose an item. For example, let's just choose this NASA WTAPS flagship shirt or sweater. And we will be brought to the product page. It's a bit slow for some reason. So as you can see here, this is the shirt. And we just need to choose, let's choose this one. And then let's choose XL. And then just click add to cart. Now it is now added to cart. And then you just need to go to cart. It's on the right hand side here. It says cart. Click on that. A pop-up will appear. And you will be brought to this cart. Now, after this, all you need to do is click on it. And then click on settlement. And you will be brought to the payout page. Now, as you can see here, there's a pop-up for our address. We cannot do that. But again, this is where you do your checkout, you submit your order. And somewhere here where I'm circling my cursor, my mouse, this is where the coupon code goes. So as you can see, I'm now posting a screenshot of what it looks like. And you just put the code there and it will sort out, what kind of off or discount you have before you click submit order down here. And yeah, it's that easy. That's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.